Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Oh, time! Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, ya the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Don't you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti
Check.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yes.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Why that thing, Check. Boom. All right. Wagwan people. What is going? Big up on yourself. You're in tune to Ragashanti live right as about the big bad Bridge 99 FM. Big up on yourself. You see it? I is our the year. Big up on yourself, man. Well, I was here on Monday because that was a big holiday here. So the staff, by law, you must forget them little holiday up here. You know that I broadcast from the United States, New York to be exact. And you know, when the holiday them come, the staff, they must forget them little break and all these things. So I was here on Monday. Big holiday, Independence Day up here, you know. For them Independence Day and thing, and everything is a big excitement over the weekend as usual. And them say fireworks in this place, and I'm not play. Them I was sitting there for this. Okay, bam, okay, got it. Okay, Jack Gans, big up yourself, Pretty Punchy, Kevin Linton, Missy, Cheryl Bless, and the whole crew as soon. Craigton, large up and thing, big up your YouTube family too. The IrieJam 360 Facebook crew and all them something. The large up on the sun. Boy, people up here in America, we don't have no basis now for to talk about. We don't want to go to Jamaica because too much violence down there, too much killing down there. Because when I see what's going on in America right now, again, People, Jamaicans up here are people of Jamaican affiliation and thing. I mean, you have no credible basis right now. In the United States, me attacking. You have no credible basis for say, boy, Jamaica this and Jamaica that with the violence and too much people are dead. And, can't really say that, you know. The amount of killing are going up in this country. Now, granted, in a per capita, you know, in terms of killing in relation to the amount of people who live in the country, the killing in Jamaica per capita far exceeds that of the United States. Again, you know, in terms of the ratio. So, statistically, it is still worse in Jamaica than it is here, statistically, right? Because, in other words, the amount of killing we're going at Jamaica is in relation to the country being around 3 million people, as opposed to the killing we're going in America is in relation to the country being around somewhere around 330 something million people. So, you know, by contrast, you know, it is still arguable that Jamaica is worse. But nonetheless, it's terrible up here, man. It's terrible up here. Go on, you know. But people, the last mass kill, hey, the United States describe a mass shooting as one where 4 or more people get shot up or dead. I think it's 4 or more, yeah. Again, I think the United States define a mass killing as one where 4 or more people get shot up or dead. So as long as, if 4 people get shot up, that is a mass killing. If some shooting go on and 2 people dead and 2 get injured with gunshot, that is a mass shooting. So some shooting is a mass killing, like it's a mass shooting. Sorry, I was making a little mistake. So a mass shooting is where 4 or more people get shot up or dead. You know what I say about 300 at the United States? Wait, let me Google it. How many mass shootings, let me see, in 2022? Wait there. Okay, there's like 314 probably. No, hold on. How many mass shootings in the U.S. in 2022? Yeah, man, I say 340. People that are nothing, you know? 314. But why people? Nobody life no more important than nobody life, you know. But you see that last one, yeah, what happened at them have one 4th of July march and thing or whatever. I want to look a white boy. And by the way, you know, when the white boy them do them mass shooting and kill off everybody, you know, you nobody talk about the whole language where them use to describe them is a whole different thing, you know. Them love to talk about mental disturbance and whatever and all them something there, whatever. When non-whites do it, vicious killer, this and that, Ray. For a long time, I'm going with them something. But me I tell you, say that last one, I think happening night, boy, me I tell you, rock me, man. Rock me. I mean, no say, other people who notice it must rock on to plus if you're appearing. And he's with the little 2-year-old picnic. In parents, his mother 35, his father 37. And the people them bring them little 2-year-old to go watch a parade. You know, 4th of July, independence, you know. In them places, people love to go watch, fireworks and watch parade and the marching and banner and thing and imagine. Mother and father with them picnic. Go out for watch a parade and have them 2-year-old. And just like that, shut a fire and whatever and thing and whatever. And the mother and father dead. Them did say the father cover him. The mother dead too, But eyewitnesses, they see the father cover him. And the father dead too. And the little boy must get, someone must come from the father and walk up and down and whatever. And, somebody must carry him, go somewhere and, him go to the police and the police said, John, so we can't babysit right now. We have to look for that boy, see what you can do, And to the way where them find and grandparents and thing and them say when them give the little boy to his grandparents, the little boy say, the boy ask and say, is mommy and daddy coming? Are they coming? Why people when me read, you don't know when time certain things reach, I'm not afraid to tell them, hey people when me read that my ball, man. I'll know it's sitting in the rock, my man. Me just imagine look a 2-year-old person, must say, so is mommy and daddy coming? And then they might come or whatever. Poor little boy and know say, his mother and his father dead. Father dead to protect him. Cover him. People when me read my ball, man, my ball, tears come down on my eye and whatever. My ball. Jano. You just, you're being a parent, simply put. You bring your picnic them out, watch a parade and, shots start fire and you just do the instinctive thing where me and that would do too. Right away me I cover my family. Right? Right away me I cover my family. Just like that little 2-year-old lose his mother and his father gone. Yo. Mariska said the couple then posted a pic of the child and then he was picked up by the cops and given to the grandparents. The couple said he kept asking for his parents. Oh, God. Well, that's what 2-year-olds do. Right? Because, obviously, never shot a love from him parents, them and thing and whatever. And again, whole heap of people are dead, so I don't want to know, it just, that's something that them say you can't just hear it too much to the point where you get numb to it and thing and whatever. And I'm trying enough to make that reach me, Most of the time I come to the show, I don't want me come here with no one bag of depression, so I process them things the outside of the show and then forward and come at the show and go out with my antics to go and release from them things there, right? For make you laugh and go on with my antics and thing. And because that is what I do, right? So enough time when when the boy go kill off the people them up a Buffalo there and I mean I look on all the elderly people and I say look how long them people are living for this dirty drunk you just gonna shoot up the people and kill them so them things that them always bother me I make them overwhelm me, but at the same time I try not to get numb to it and just kinda accept it and thing, So but you know, in doing so, I also realized that I have a particular brand that I, you know, perform on this show. So, me leave, you know, me stress them at the door and come do what I do. But boy, me just have to chat about that one there, boy, because I tell you what I want there, you know. So, we know, because I have some elderly people, I tell us, hey, the people them were dead in that one there, you know, elderly people them too, you know. Imagine look how long the people them live. Look how long the people them live. Only if you look a dirty boy, just come kill her. Jano. And yeah, it make you. Yeah, man, no people are praying that to me. I say, yo, if I not forgot the women, yeah, you have to take bad things, make like. I know people, I say, John, if I not forgot the women, I'm going to win, but, I'm not telling you, you can't really make them things I get the better, yeah, you stop living, so. And I them things they are, sir. Aye, but, hey. It give us yet another opportunity to give thanks. Say we have life right here. So no. People live here, man, and just appreciate your loved ones. People who did it for you and care about you and thing, not take them for granted and thing, and as much as you can, just kind of make them know. You know who real to you and who not real, and as much as you can. But I waste no time in no toxic type of thing and no foolishness and no arms house where I gain stress and right there. Cause right I know we're going on really life precious, yo. I mean life precious long time, you know, but things that we are go down and sitting down. Hey. And to the people out there, the relatives and friends and colleagues and associates of the deceased and thing with us. So I wish them all the best. So them just kind of hold on and push through, you know. Right. Other one, like a Raga, did you see the one with the girl who said she saw when her mom got shot? And all she was able to say to her mom was, I love you. She could not even try to. Ja, no, them thing they rough, yo. Alright. Okay. Alright, people. Elon Musk. We're going to go to the phone line after this. We'll just a couple things. Elon Musk are the richest man in the world, you know. There have been some switchings going on. It was Bill Gates. No, it was Warren Buffett at one point. Bill Gates at one point. Then it was this brother, this telecommunications magnate, 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 in Mexico. I think his name was Carlos something, and it was him. Then it was Jeff Bezos, and now it's Elon Musk. Elon Musk is now the richest man in the world. So, but he's a boy, they ain't saying smoke enough weed, you know. He work hard, but they ain't saying smoke enough weed, and him, you know, him a one of them where was a nerd back in the day, so after him start make money and whatever and thing, and him start buying sports car, them himself fling body all about and things, so him did I get picnic. So everybody didn't know say him a 5 picnic. And then him did get a 6 youth with the woman who him there with. She name, I think her last name is Grimes. Another one them give one weird name. I forgot what picnic name. Give one picnic one weird name like X sitting on it up. Whatever. Wait, I forgot what nobody can remember that the name that to write it. What is the name of Elon? You see me type slow. well, we need to say 6th child, but yeah. Jesus. Me I tell you what me see. The name of the picnic is XAE, that is some signal we tie together. A-12. When them say how to pronounce Musk and Grimes baby name, let me see them. But California. How you pronounce his new baby boy? XAEA12. Right, saying. Oh, that's the way you pronounce the AE must mean ash, so it means XAE12. XAE12. XAE12, but it's spelled X-AE. No, X space AE space A-12. And that's how they pick the name, you know. That was him 6th child. Right? So, up to late last year, you know, up to this year, when the year started, people said, yeah, Elon must have 6 picnic, you know. Elon must have 6 picnic. So, the woman Grimes, who, you know, look like he married to her, but, you know, look like he married to her. Right? But, ashamed of it. They might interview her in a march. Them one must one Vanity Fair article, so they might interview her house in a march, and when them dead and thing and whatever. The people them who dead there do the interview with the photographer and whatever. Now one baby them here ball out, one little picnic, one little infant baby, so everybody got wait, how that? That man, that sound like one little baby. And when they look for her and thing and whatever, she whatever, cause the baby, them hide the baby, you know. So the baby, them never, nobody didn't even know the baby dead. So somehow she breed, got through the pregnancy, nobody not see her the whole 9 and whatever, and have a picnic and all these things and whatever, and thing. And the whole world never know about it, and the picnic born and dead. And so they hear the picnic ball and they say, yeah, and I saw it bust out. Say, yeah, you know, she'd have one picnic like late last year. Remember not March now, you know, that when them do this something, you know, so. Then so she'd have the picnic must like it, I said November. So last year, sometime around this. So that means that be about, you know, 4 months ago, you know, March, January, February, March, you know. Okay, so about 4 months, baby, I sitting like so, whatever. So I saw that bus out, you know, so them I say, damn, she did hide the picnic, man. And I say, I wonder why the picnic did hide or whatever and all these things and whatever. People don't know, so one report come out today now. Either today or yesterday, one of them there. Elon must make an application. Say him have 2 picnic, you know, him have twin and him need them name for being him need them name for have theme name and thing and whatever Ray. So them, you know. So I saw that one I bust out people, you know say. When the 7th picnic born, must a couple weeks before that, Elon Musk did have twin with one woman who in work. Press, you know hear about it? Yeah. And 9 him gone now, you know, Prezi. But when I say everybody didn't know about 6, you know. And in a March now, people hear about number 7. But people are here, so well on this, so that did a hold on. You don't know what me feel, you know, people. I feel sick. Grimes, who I'm woman, me feel that some drama they did it. And she know about the twin. Because Elon must him have a I don't give a F attitude with certain things, you know. I don't know about them personal life or whatever. But something probably tell me, say, oh God. So when she pregnant now, when she pregnant now, I look figure have the next picnic, you know. Them second child. Me feel say at that time she hear about the twin them, you know. You understand? So I think say at this only look at pressure there and whatever, so me feel say that's why she never to come out with it. You see it, people, you don't feel say so it go. Me feel say something along the line, some passa, some mix up or some break unfold this one thing or whatever. That's why she never, me don't know, like she must say all vex and thing or feel a we are shame or embarrass or whatever. We assume the negative. Who for tell if them never agree with it and thing and no say, because then you know put nothing past them, you know. At the end of the day we don't know. But to the extent that it did hold on and by accident the person who did that do the story go find out and thing. Now him make application for the picnic them get him name, for theme name. Because the application was him want the picnic them for have him last name, but still have the mother name. But it's an executive where him did that. It's an executive in a company, you know. Somebody in a company. Yeah. So I'm not judging him, I don't think so I judge him. But just I say it's just interesting. So I speculate right you know. Well, you know, I'm the richest man in the world, you know, and whether I like it or not, that just give him options a certain way. I know enough found out, listen, oh, I'm in a business, could I be the richest man in the world, look more, ray, and this and that, and, well, you can't go and say so now, you know, in a big light, here. Anyway. One other thing before we take a break, people in the ear that want some get this, some dashi. And this is one of them where Mr. Man there who, you know, say he used to go Calabar. Man, when him claims say other people to them, probably I beat me about that one or two, but yeah, even they are juggler do my thing. So two sisters now. One of them outgoing and love for the road and thing, you know, born and look weed every now and then and thing. The other one a goody, she go church and all them something there. The one on the road a bad girl. Now she's a road and whatever. No man run her head and all these things. And the goody one, she go church and all them something and she have a little man and watch it not whatever. All right. The bad girl one now, see her sister man on road. Like him and make some little screechy move with one catty and thing or whatever. And say, eh. So she go say, Ray, and go home and go tell her sister, say, I see the boy and move X, you know, or whatever and thing. And the sister say, well, me don't know about that and whatever. The sister say, yo, me not get involved in all the thing. Me just give her heads up. Me I tell her, say, I see him and move X out the road with a catty and Ray, boom. The sister goes so bouncing again long after and go see him on a different move again and spot him out and thing and whatever, you know, because him the road, you know, and the sister the road, you know, but him woman who are the sister who there with him, she not really the road like, she the goody one. Anyway, the sister now, she the one who has seen him now, go back and tell her sister, say, you know, say you need for leg of that boy there. You need for leg of that boy there and whatever. So the sister said, nah, I love him and thing and whatever and rate and this and thing or whatever. Some beach thing go down and whatever, and then the sister go see him with woman from beach and some whatever this and. So the sister say, you know, so me need for just give my sister proof or the boy I want dirty boy. All right. The bad girl sister now, she goes so boom and quietly move to him and screech up on him and kind of lay herself as bait for him, you know. And thing and you plan for record him and this and that and rare. So when she lay herself as bait for him, people on a record, you know, say, she end up take a 10-pack from him. We attack US, you know, because I up here something. She end up take a 10-pack from him and grind him off and record it. You must think I joke, man. She and him do the something with them and whatever. When them a do the something with them, she get him for swipe her. Mr. Man down there get him belly full and all this thing, a slurp up it thing, bad, and I do the something with them. And she get all light pan video with the 10-pack and whatever. Hear the story now. You know, so she go back to her sister and show her sister the video. Then she write it too. Yeah, you know. Well, lad, then I look out for her sister. So, but anyway, so she go back to the sister now and show the sister the video and say, see the boy, they see me and him a grind there. See him there, a slur me up there. See that me I give him a Jojo facial, right? Me I give him a pony facial, right? Just a clean out boy facial pores and thing. Clean out him face with the Jojo substance. Jojo facial. Show her sister the thing and whatever this and that and say, see what the boy I do. See him a jump up in my belly and whatever and show her sister the everything and whatever. People don't know his sister though. His sister cuss out her cat, you see. His sister cuss her out. And she said, but I show you the dirty boy. And the sister said, go away. Me I paraphrase. A bad man. I never say bad man. I'm American. A bad man, you bad man and this and that and whatever. And you did it and that. And you come mash up my life now. And what? I think the sister have a point doing it, because if you claim say you approve something to your sister, say our man a boner, with all due respect, I don't think so that is the most efficient way to do it, you know. Granted, you've been telling your sister wasn't believing you, but you know, what you did after to convince your sister, indisputably, that is not acceptable either, with all due respect. But so the sister cuss her up, be a balling and a cuss. Oh, when she carried the 10,000 to the sister, she kind of say like, see me get the 10,000, come back and spend the money and whatever, this and that, you know? So the sister cuss her out and says, she don't want to touch the money, she don't want nothing to do with the money, and she go away from me and whatever, and the sister cuss her. You know, so the sister were there with him and whatever, she make up nice for the boy and whatever, but I know them still there, you know. And she not talk to her sister. The one now we go grind him off and carry go give and go show him or whatever. She go to the mother now. And she tell her the mother say she no want to spend the money. So she give the mother the $10,000. Because the bad girl when she have her money do you know. She have her money. So she give the mother the $10,000 and tell the mother say, you try to give to her because she said that the focus wasn't for getting the money. It was just for sure how much of a dirty man him is, because him give her 10 grand and grind or whatever. So she just want her sister see that. So she give them mother the money. The mother call the one with there with the youth and say, I have the money, you know, come take your money and whatever. And she said, I don't want none of the money there. You know, dirty money that way. So the mother go bank your money. The bad girl sister, she said she don't want her name for nothing to do with the money, no bank or whatever. So the mother bank the money in the mother name plus the sister who there with the man, and she tell the sister who there with the man, so when you're ready for the money, it is right there. You can go and withdraw it whenever you want. And the one who there with the man, she said, she don't want the money either and whatever. The mother not spend the money and you know the parent mother thing now. So no, whatever. Mother a Christian too. And thing and whatever. So the money in our bank, the sister who there with the man, she not talk to her sister anymore and she's still there with her man. Listen to me. There's several lessons from this, but there is one where I just want to remind you. Sometimes when I see people in some relationship and thing and whatever, and you may see this function, and you may so care about your friend or your relative or whatever, that you just think you need to get out of this. Sometime one of a shot on a damn mouth and leave people alone. Somehow it's hard for you to understand. But some people rather with them used to. Some people are more comfortable being happy with what them used to than being unhappy with what them used to than to be potentially happy in a something where them not used to, something new. Let me tell you that again. Some people are comfortable with what them used to, even if what them used to is a bad thing. Them rather turn there so than to go pursue something new or to potentially go put themselves in another position where them can potentially be happy. Them no want to do that. Some people don't even want to be alone. Some people are just afraid to be alone. Them rather stay in a bad situation. Listen to me, as bad as it sounds, leave people alone. Don't get on a level where you want to force people to leave and you go to your way to prove to them so you need to leave or whatever. If you feel them out, if you tell them certain things and this and that, and them want to turn in, then leave them alone. No, the only thing, real quick, as a friend, sometimes when you're in them situation, if you're a real friend with the person and you have all these other things outside of the relationship where you enjoy with them, long history now come from far, whatever, boom, bam, 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 you just go and enjoy that. And if that friend can complain to you and things like that, fine. You know, as a friend, be there for them. You might be them sounding board, the person who them trust. Worse if them dead for you in some other ways too. Then boom, you just know, say, well, she not left a man, you know, or if not left a woman there, you know, I'm really think them not for stay night, but right, and then come talk to me about the problem, boom. Only if them carry too far, because I know of multiple instances where people have a friend like that, and then come to you and complain every day, and then bawl every day, and that goes on for years. And I just, you have to sit down. No. Sometimes we have to, because remember, you know, as I'm telling you, you cannot unexperience an experience. Remember that. You cannot unexperience an experience. It therefore follows. You need to be very careful with your experiences. And in being careful with your experiences, do not expose yourself to too much toxicity and negativity, even from people who you care about and whatever, because once you experience that, you can't, those are inputs going inside of you that cumulatively, in some, they're bound to have some sort of impact on you, particularly in your unconscious or whatever, in some ways where you don't even notice or whatever and thing, right? So, you know the thing, show me your friends, I'll tell you who you are. Well, show me your experience, reveal your experiences to me, and I'll tell you who you are, right? So nobody go too far with it. But if you have a friend like that, a colleague like that, and I saw them turn and they want turning, they left them alone. Leave them alone. It sounds contradictory and oxymoronic and thing, but there are people who are happy in misery. There are people, as contradictory as it may sound, they are happy in their misery. Left them alone. Stop trying to prove anything to them. All right? We're going well a break. We're soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, when I just come in, we don't call them, no, anything you want to call him about. All right, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica, 876-676-4996. From the United States or Canada, toll free, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. I see some people make some interesting posts. One person said, that's why I say not even my sister, me not tell if me see her man with a woman. Remember, I was telling you something similar to this story. She's referring to me, I would think. Oh, Michelle, are you over in Jersey? In Jersey. Telling you something similar to this story. Me not tell. Me eye close, and I don't want to know. Why is that tricky thing, yeah, man? Because this one I said, why, Cheryl, you need to tell me more about that one, man. He said, my sister slept with my baby daddy and I left him. See, yeah, sister, see, she said that. You know much that from me I do them show and people call in and whatever and share these things or post and send in email. It's always intriguing when I'm speaking to some other people and I must say, a lie, not go so. You know, when them hear certain mix up and I must say, a lie, not go so, a lie, and I'm tell them, calling on the show and them shit. You have some people that are really jaded and just clueless about what's going out there in the world, you know. To the point when them hear the something of them and think, them just can't believe it and them just think, say, people are telling, like, you know, yeah, some people call in and embellish stuff and then exaggerate on some things and lie about things and whatever, you know, whatever. But, you know, mix up is the type of thing where, yeah, people are going to call and tell you what really are going out there in the world. Because there's no way any one person can know what are going on with everybody in every community, in every demographic. So when you have an outlet, a platform like this that, you know, facilitates people sharing their experiences, it follows that you're going to hear stuff where you just wouldn't know, outside of a platform like this. You know, see the lady post, they say, yeah, her sister sleep with her baby daddy, and next one say, my friend mess up my relationship in that manner. Teacher, remember I was telling you about it. Some of them jealous of the relationship you're having. Who fi tell if that make the sister go? I don't know. But anyway, okay, give me the call. Hello. Hello. Greetings.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
Me nah know about me boat there in Japan, about in Japan.
You know, if only God can tell you, if you change up your voice, you know.
No, I don't change up my voice, so I free.
Yeah, man, me there, man. What you say?
Oh, me there, man.
Everything good?
Yeah. Give thanks to you, Father.
All right, blessings, man, blessings, all right?
Yeah, I never talk about monkeypox, said that Jamaica.
Right, I see the report that Jamaica has one confirmed case of monkeypox. Yeah. Yeah, why? You concerned about it?
Concerned?
Yeah.
They consider and talk to your father.
You talk to your father about it?
Yeah, but me still consider though.
You consider what?
About the monkeypox.
What? No, but what are you considering then?
Because my girlfriend don't come back from town it.
Oh, so what? So what? You worried so she may have it? Eh?
No, you see what we say having about then say it, maybe contact the people.
Okay. So what?
Yeah,
you know what?
Consider about.
Oh, you know what? She come up there. You know what? She leave Harborview come look for you then up at Hanover.
That is it.
What? That is what? What? You don't want her to come? You don't want her to go look for you?
Yeah, man, they come, but to me, you say the suspect they have to consider.
Oh, yeah, consider about the monkeypox. You know why? She gonna bring monkeypox come out the Congo, don't?
That is it.
All right, well, be careful as you can and remember, no, you have to go look for your sick mother all the while, so you know want to catch nothing and go bring again, mother.
I'm going to there again sick too.
Right, and then, no, she come from Harborview, which part Tina come from, so liable for you more monkeypox liable for over the side there, you know? And
in 13 of them.
Eh?
13 of them are too cute.
No, Tina, they're Florida.
Oh, so too cute there.
You know something I know too cute, live.
Okay, so you want to say no clothes, ain't it?
Well, that is too cute. That is too. She always say no clothes, Raga. Yeah. That is nana.
Okay.
She always say nana.
That's the let you that the guy got it right now. Why? It's from here they talk what they consider.
All right. Well, just be careful, all right? Blessings and respect. Yeah.
Yeah, but look at that. You know that about one time say the lady said the man is all for who's a game for any man.
Well, game cock. Well, yeah, but you
at times and so come fall and then them.
Yeah, and them always in a cock fight and thing. That's why I'm calling them game. So what you say? But she have another name for them. What she call them?
Dominic Rooster.
Dominic Rooster. Yes.
No, Dominic Rooster. Some pretty rooster them there.
Oh, what you say? One different type that.
Yeah, one different type that I give for them color one and you then trim them. We see the virgin and trim them.
Well, Dominic, the Dominic are the same as the game one.
No, they're different.
Okay, so Atan Spice, you don't know what she did I said then, right?
No, I something else you and I say different.
Oh, so you're correct car then.
Yeah.
So,
I see the center fall now.
no, well, and so based on where you are saying,
Yeah.
Attack Spicy don't know her cock them then, right?
No.
She don't know her cock them.
different.
She are confused.
No.
She are confused the cock them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so she don't. So Attack Spicy need to go learn more about the cock them, right?
Yeah, my father keep father by heaven teaching.
All right. So what you say now about Sense Fall now?
I can see center fall now. They feel that look different.
Oh, it is. Describe them further.
They feel that look. I'm gonna tell you they feel that look. I just wanna curl. I just the girl and curl up their hair like with the curling iron. I say center fall they feel that stay.
Well, I just ask you how sensible look, and you are telling, and you think about it for a little because I hear you like, and then you say, when the girl them curl up them ear with the curling iron, I see him as a sensible.
This why them going on some black, on some white.
Tambourine! What you say? When the woman them are out of the curl up their ear with the curling iron, them favor sensible, no?
No, me say if you are sensible.
No, and that you just say, and that you just say, and that you just
No.
listen to me. That's why, hey, listen to me, that's why, listen to me. Me not tell a lie for you. That is what you just say. Everybody hear when you say it. Everybody hear.
Then you the curling iron.
Yeah.
That's why sensible for that stay.
That me I say too. Okay.
No, me not go this girl. I'm love the girl. I'm so.
No, we not say you this girl them. You just say
No,
when.
me not this girl.
No, but you not this them. But you just say when they use the curling iron and curl up, then yeah, whatever. I see them with the sensible feather them stay. Yeah, then that you say. Then that me say you say.
Yeah.
Then that me say you say. What?
And then before they scratch out any evil out your yard.
What the sense? Well on. And them they scratch out any evil out of your yard, don't?
Yeah, then they fall there.
The saints are foul them, don't?
Yeah. And they look nice, you know.
Okay. Them
The
look.
lady when I know the rooster them want to give to them and give it in her yard.
Yeah, at times, Spicer, she don't know a rooster them at times. She
Yeah,
don't
but-
know her cock them. She always a confuse her cock them. I give them different.
Yeah, but me like
She
you
don't
know-
know her cock name them. She don't know her cock name them. I always a confuse her cock name them.
Raga, me like you buy still no Raga.
Sir, our vice. Well, yeah, say, well, now, say you like our vice. Say you like our vice.
Me like her vice, you know.
You like Atta Spicy vice.
Yeah, only God can tell you what my after.
Okay, all right then, cool.
That nice flowers that blow my yard. That's it.
Say what?
That nice flowers, they bloom.
Okay, why don't we digress just a bit? Well, if me never understand you, you'd confuse me, you know. You, what's your name again? What's your name again? Oh, she did a clash with Too Cute with Robert, man. And say Robert did a call her. What's your name again, Prezi? Well, I don't know why I always forget her name, and her name easy to remember. It's supposed to easy to remember, you know, but I always forget. What we call her? In Prezi? What we call Miss Lady then? What did I break it with Too Cute over Robert, man, and Robert is saying call her too, man. And she, oh, Lord. Somebody soon post. Multi-talented. She's same one, yeah, multi-talented.
Oh.
Yeah. When you are multi-talented, you jump from one thing to the next, one thing to the next. One of those go to jump from one sitting to the next, sitting like whoa, you know? Me have to, me have to kind of know how to flow when you not talk and whatever, for work with the thing. All right, only God can tell you, big up yourself here, sir. And don't catch a monkeypox from the woman there above you, yeah? All right, cool. What? Prezi, you look like in credit, don't in credit, eh? Okay. Okay, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. People, a real thing what I must say do about the me never know the name of the fowl, but at the maga fowl them. right? When we grew up a ghetto, them always buy. What does that tell them people? What does that tell them what Mr. people do? But not some necessarily believe it. But them will buy them foley and them will keep them in a yard. And them say when, cause you have certain little type of evil where people supposedly do in a way, always involve a bury this and a bury that. Or sprinkle this and a sprinkle that. And them always buy them foley and them claims that the foley will scratch out the guzum and them something they for true, you know? So, I not saying if you believe it, I just telling you what people do. But I just never remember the name of the fowl, but I know them look though. Some little maga fowl, them maga and them the back. You know, like the white fowl, them tend to feel like kind of plumpy and round up and them one of them maga and them back of them tail look more pointed than the white one them. And them really, you see white pan them. You know, you pretty much not see white pan them. Them always have some other color, you know, than white. And them, you know, Jamaican people claim say them foul let them scratch out evil for true, you know? What does that tell you? Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, you Raga?
Yeah, make sure we not hear the radio in our background, here?
Yeah, me tell you, you Raga?
Yeah, we are here,
You're familiar with the Brooklyn place, right?
Yeah. Well, not thoroughly, but yeah.
Like half Utica Avenue and them place.
Yeah. The Jamaican part, them, yeah, you know.
You know a store named Timbuktu?
No.
Right by Linden and Utica. Right by the car and the turning is up.
I know Linden and Utica, but I guess I just didn't notice that a store was. Well, you know, for you the other side in Brooklyn, everybody know Linden, everybody know Nostra, and everybody know Utica, everybody know them road there and things. But I know Linden and Utica.
What their studio is in Jalab studio? It's still about?
Oh, I don't know, you know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
I don't look at you, let me ask you still. I can't spice now is a girl where she like she has got the evil amount of the girl, you know.
She look like what? What?
She look like she had a sense before you have got the evil amount of the girl.
So what you say? At Spice, she look like a she had the sense of all, no?
Yeah, you have got the evil about that girl.
No, but yeah, then she probably talk like, at Spice she talk like sense of all too. She never look a sense of all sound about her, no? When she talk, no?
Yeah, I look at we call it sense of all this car, you know?
Yeah, she have a look at sense of all.
Yeah.
She going cuss out. She going done you. Yo, at times Spice she going comfy or something. So who that dirty boy there call me sense of all?
I secret lover we are married her. So she have
see that at times Spice a secret lover we are married you. And and bend you up in a different letters of the alphabet and make you feel the strength. The general say him, I make you know, say you have a sense of all thing about it.
Yeah, man. I see you in Calicut, which I only 10 minutes still, I must give you one chat.
No, man, I recognize your voice, man. How are you, son? Seeing? All right. Yeah, my general, all right. Safety and protection. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Sensible, at spicy and thing. Two caller we get on the manatee already and thing. Prezi, you know you say your girl a sensible. And she scratch out evil and thing. If you want to get rid of cross, you just bring hot and spicy around here, and you know? And make it happen. Greetings, good night, hello. Hello. President Car, I don't hear nobody. Hello? Well, look like somebody did it, but there was a guy. 876-676-4. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Wagwan.
No, close, Raga.
Man, there, man, what you say?
Me not have enough credit, but me live already. You know, look out, Raga.
Me know look out, man.
You can see a look out and see me out.
Yeah, man, me sort out up a look out already, you know.
All right, Raga, I said no. The best start out that.
Yeah.
So start out, turn up.
So up the side there.
Yeah, man, you'll see a look out and you look down on the many houses.
Right,
One of
right,
those houses
right.
is mine.
Okay, saying so you live on the hill and thing and whatever. So
Yeah.
when the crew beat them a bad mind, them for know say beer clean fresh air, yeah, get up this one thing.
Exactly.
You not breathe. Yeah, then not eat. You not breathe none of them pollution and all them things that you think proper and clean.
Quick thing because my credit I got done.
Yeah.
You see, one of your students,
Yeah.
she are informer.
Oh.
Because the same one, what's her name?
No,
Missy.
Missy?
Missy are informer because you see Friday.
Yeah.
If you did ask her who did a post it thing when you said to her, say, but you did a trouble the girl, and she said, after now.
Right. Well, then can't call her back down there, President.
You did.
Well, President, tell him, well, them are going to call her back. Tell him to call her. Call
All
her
right,
back. Yeah.
cool.
Call her back because we want to hear that one there. Missy an informer. I say you're going, Missy. Tina. You know, so the one Missy come on one night and defend you. No, she take it to too cute. Like bitter girl, take it to too cute. And thing and whatever and all a style up too cute. But I say, Missy, when you style her up so far, we should do and whatever, And me push and press till Missy finally say, nah, she feel like got her name there. Tina, the only too cute round here. So Missy roll out for you and you were the catalyst. Make Missy have up, you know, well, the other too cute. No, we'll put it that way there. No, you see it. But anyway, all right. Press it when I'm saying call her back. All right, we are waiting for them call her back for you when them ask for she have to say and thing like that. Okay. Joan folks, who are the informer? Okay. Yo, can't bother with them enough attention, people later. Hello, yeah. Greeting, yeah.
Raga.
Yeah. So what you say now?
Yeah. Me I say, all right, you said to her, say, but you did a trouble the girl, man.
Yeah.
And she said, after me alone did a trouble her. And you see, if you did tell her, say, tell me one who a trouble her. You know, say she ready for reload the tape.
Tell me one what trouble she?
No, listen to me good.
Yeah.
Friday, you see?
Yeah.
You said to Messi say, or Missy say.
A Messi, you call her Messi, okay.
Messi, she messed up.
Okay. Yeah.
You said to her, say, but you first that trouble the girl.
Right.
And she said to you, say, after me alone did a poor things. But if you did a follow it up and say, tell me one who did a poor thing, you know, say should I call up the rest of students, them name? She a informer.
No, but you can't say she a informer based on something where you think she would do.
She would have do it, Raga.
No, but you can't. No, what I'm saying is you cannot say somebody is guilty of something that they would do.
But if you did ask her one who should I do
No, but what I'm saying, it's still if. That is what them call the conditional. That means it never happened. So you're saying if such and such would happen, bam, 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 it would result in this. But what I'm saying, you cannot label, you can't say somebody is something that they would do, but them never do it yet. So, me just do what me for do on the show, you know? Right?
Me understand
you ever watch one show? What the show name with Tom Cruise, Minority Report and thing, where them have one something you see where, you know, Hollywood movie or whatever, but basically them have these people we can see in the future and And supposedly, if you ever commit a crime, them come for you before you commit the crime. You know? That's the movie. But I'm just saying in general, you can't say miss your informer because she would have do something. Somebody can, the only way a person can be an informer based on what we define is based on something we then do. So she never do it. So you can't share that.
But if
but your spirit tell you say she would have reel out them name, don't?
Yeah, man, she like call out everybody name. So student, be careful and missy. Be careful, I wanna talk with her.
Okay.
You got talk everything messy coming like this sister was taking next sister man.
No, but hold on, you know, so when the fun clash them are going, right? You know me just kind of boots them up. But me I gotta be honest with you. You know, so years me know her and she hold down stuff. She no fly her mouth, me can't tell you that. Yeah.
Raga?
No, man, I nothing. Me can't. No, me not take no side in the play clash, you know. But I tell you,
Raga,
in
but
truth.
not real life, Raga. No,
yeah.
me know it's a play clash.
Yeah.
In a real life,
In a real.
you can't swear for people.
No, me know, but me just I say if me go by, of course everybody have them people who them pinch and tell. But if me go by, the miss who me know for all these years, me can't tell you, say, wash if you hold on, she hold on. You shall go change tomorrow, then fine. But me can't just far. No, me not swear. No, I'm holding up for no swear for nobody.
Raga, you have man who said they would never swipe.
Yeah. And what?
Them are the biggest swiper.
So where you bring up Junior leaving now for? Huh? What? Wait, so how Junior leave it jumping at the argument now? Why you ever... I'm just know. It's a question. Oh, Junior leave it. Where you banter and Junior leave it for now? What him do you know?
Raga. Raga, don't you name Kingsley Stewart?
Yes, yeah.
And you have one heap of people and name Mark Stewart, Garfield Stewart.
Yeah.
Whatever Stewart.
Yeah.
Well, me not jacket and me not change me name Alien Too Cute and then call it Too Cute.
Brap. I ain't afraid of no girl. No dear.
Nobody me not afraid of Alien Too Cute, me name Miller Jacket, so who wants
Alien Too Cute, your name, you're not changing no name around here. I ain't afraid of no girl from Atlanta, Georgia. I ain't afraid of no girl from Florida and think I am bad.
Team up.
All when them team up here and come with them combo and want gang up on you, you're not afraid of none of them. Them fi understand them. Them laddie.
And Raga,
then eat.
You see all the sister they want tell the sister or man of this and a man of that and a man of this and end up go sleep with the girl, man. The sister should lick out her front teeth.
The one where both she had prove it to her. So what you think really motivate her for doing?
The girl a careless girl.
You think that's some form of jealousy or that was just fear we if you say, no, I look out for my sister, so I get a conclusive proof.
Out? That is no lookout. That is no.
No, but what if she concludes?
It better she did get one woman to sleep with a man and video them or whatever.
Right.
Deal with it that way. She careless.
Me see it beyond. Me see it like, and not just careless, you know. Me see like something. I don't know what it is. Admittedly, I don't know. Some I get it, some I drop it. But some little kind of dysfunctional evil in this. So I don't know if I explain it. But
Raga, me
for you go do
never-
something like that and thing and go so far. And you see them people that who do them something there and say them. You remember one song of Rihanna sing one long time after Rihanna boss and she said she burn her man. But and then the man knows that she burn him and she see him in so much pain and thing and the way she see him in a pain, she said, boy, remember, you know, Rihanna play a role, you know, like she play a role. So the song is like a movie, right? So she basically says she burn her man. But because her man in a so much pain from the burning, she said, boy, I wish him would have just dead. Somebody have a post it. I forgot what the song name. Prince, you remember that song there? What the song name? What?
They're mad.
Wait. Why name? What? No, it's not Mandong, Prezi. And a Mandong. Somebody have a post it. No, and a Mandong. Mandong, I want different one. You remember the song, man, when I want a long time Riri song, man, where I must say unfaithful. Yeah. I must say that one there. Unfaithful. You know what that song that took you?
No.
When say everybody didn't like that song and whatever. Me, I say, I wonder if people really match the part there in that song. Because it's like the way she sing it to, you know, like she said, boy, me a burning, you know, and thing and whatever. I see the burning, just the pain and the burning, just mash him up, you know, and I love him, you know, but me have to burn him, you know. And the pain, I see the hurt, and when I feel him hurt and him pain and whatever, just for him getting him pain, you know, if he just dead. That's it. No, you have people like that, you know, with claims say them a do things for help you. And really believe them a do things to help you, you know. When them a do it's a justification for perpetrate some of the vilest form of evil upon you, you know, and in a fit mind and help them a help you, you know.
Really, Raga,
them
why
sick.
you don't know who hurt you?
Them
I
sick.
remember, I think last week or week before last, me did give you a story like that with my sister husband. When me could have tell my sister things that me not do it.
And you know, right.
I know some me not do them things, man. Make she find out for herself.
So for the record, based on that, if you see your sister man a burn her, you not go tell her.
No, sir. Me not give no heads up and them happy.
But me tell you about and them still happy, don't you? Then me tell you about my brother in Jamaica who him did you know, when him say him brother woman a ochi and man a draw out her tongue out her head down. And through him brother wife, for me I say woman, him brother wife, and through the brother wife, him say him not tell him brother, you know, but through she a fret. The man say him lay down in bed there one time, you know. And she a pass and him brother not there about, you know. And him say it look like a trip, she trip, you know, and she just drop on him, you know. Him say like she buck her foot and she just drop on him in her bed. And him say, Raga, me know exactly what I go on. So he say just for the end, the stress and whatever, and make she comfortable, me just put one pan her. Because I know say me nah go there again, and I know say she nah go there again. So I say, what you mean? And him say, be a drama she a go on because she afraid say me I go tell him. But me know say me not go tell him, but she don't know that. So what him a say is now, she really go run it pan him, you know. Because she want for us know say, all right, you see like come and run this pan you not go tell your brother. And him say from that there was peace in the place. And him say the brother no know. And she comfortable because now she knows say him not go tell the brother, which him say him never did go do in the first place, you know. But him say from she go trip and drop on him. And him go so boom and say nah the thing pan her. Him say no problem after that. She stopped do the whole heap of foolishness and the stress and tension around him. And she stopped fret for say if him not go tell because she know him not go tell her now. She know him not go tell him brother now because she. But them look at something that because people are listen to you right, listen to we right I know and I say a foolishness in our chat because if my friend or my sister or my relative or my brethren or whoever know see them thing they not come tell me. Man, I rate them again. You have only people are listening and I say that right now.
Me not tell nobody about them love life. Me not tell no friend, no family member, nobody. Raga, you see when me did have my baby father, me got to him with years say this, me years say that, me him say, see for yourself.
Him say, see for yourself, yeah.
Come to me with no years say,
Yeah.
He said, see for yourself and don't come to me with no years say. I'll be a year say
no,
me
well,
used to go to him with.
No, well, no. Me have a virgin, him dead what year. Enough time from us know him, Pepsi. From St. Elizabeth. If you listen a long time, so you must remember Pepsi from Crawford, St. Elizabeth. All right.
Yeah, man.
Pepsi did have one woman and she did must say at Texas and whatever. She did Texas and Pepsi down in Jamaica. So, yeah, when people call her now, and I tell her, I say, you know, say, Pepsi down here, a grind up, whatever. Right away, she say, him be clad supposed to. Don't call and come tell me nothing about him.
Yeah,
yes, him supposed to. I don't call and give me no news about him and all these things and whatever.
Man.
Yeah, some people are there, so them there with them thing and whatever. You see?
Me not like the news carrier them because you see people carry news. We met people end up at jailhouse, hospital, or end up dead.
Well, that's true.
Me not like the news thing. Leave people alone, make them get catch up for their own.
You know, say, what do a little thing go down in a TamFam, in a my thing, TamFam, Tambourine family. And one woman, she into this thing where forget, a young lady who, you know, who don't even not, so whatever. But anyway, she in this thing based on her agenda, fear thing is to get people on her side. She explicitly said that.
Yeah.
She have to get people. So she go about for work, people, and she go there and when she get in with them, she tell them all kind of things about me, you know, when I go so, you know. But she tell them all kind of lie and exaggeration and twist up thing and whatever. So you have some people now who she tell, and few of them, she give them different stories. So a few of them, you know, them say, you have some of them tell her, say, no, I don't believe that. And that's a Ragashanti and whatever, this and that, and right. Then you have some who, them know her through me, you know, through me make them know her, right?
Yeah.
But when she tell them so and so, them listen and them stay a friend with her, and thing. So the people, and they have some of them now, them just write me off, done with me, based on what she saying, you know.
Yes.
So some of the people,
wicked.
yeah, man, right? So some of the people, them now, who know what she do. Because me not stay saying, me not go call people and sit down on phone with them and build relation, forget you on my side. I pick me something with them, I can't bother with them something.
Yes.
But some of the people, them now, and you have a few too, I have to give ratings to them. Them said to me, you know, say she say Ray, and this and that and thing, and I say, you do. Some say, and then me will say, all right, you say, think me and you good, me I go explain to you. And then me will explain to them. Because you know, that's something that you hear from one side, you hear from the next side, and them say, then the truth, there's somewhere in there. So me will say to them, say, all right then, me will tell you where she left out and what go on and what really go on. So me will give them, I say, you judge for yourself. And then people now will say, John, no, you know, say, no, that you go on and I tell people, and no, that I look at emissaries, them are going and I say, boy, you know. I'm saying it's neither here. But what I'm getting at, though, a few of them, they get upset and say, we you know link so and so. I make them know what really are going because them don't know your side. I'm say, link who? Link what? I say, you see me look like my big friend? Because here, I'm say, the next thing is this. If me and you are go good, and somebody go in your ears well and tell you some dirty something about me, and you believe it, listen me now. You are not somebody I want for my friend.
Oh.
You follow me? And it's not even, you don't need no excitement. You don't need no excitement. I am thankful if you say me and you good, and somebody go to you and say, say what Raga do to me, or what Raga do to this, and what Raga do to that, and whatever. And if you believe it right away, I am very happy. So you're sure you can, because it can be something more serious and whatever, and I see me, you'd have sink me down. So I better it play out so when nothing really happen to me, I'm just thankful, say, boom, I saw you still. You follow what I say?
Yeah.
And it's not a problem to me. So I saw me have to show them, say, nah, man, that is a good thing. Me no need to be, in a link with them people. And they have some of them who come play hypocrite with me and thing, because supposedly them, them talk to her and them, and according to for them side, some of those kind of play along with some of them, the hypocrite one, them and thing. But outside of that, if you cut me off because somebody go whisper in your ears and say this and that about me, me no need to clarify nothing and go back to you with no news and call you or whatever, or something like that. So me no need to do nothing like that. Me just very thankful. Say, you sure you can? And we're good, because if I something more serious, you're not gonna hold it with me. You understand what I'm saying? Because no
matter we not show your true color.
You see it, right? Because people can't tell you, me. I want them boy there. Yeah, people come to me or whatever and say, Ray, and here's my standard response. Say, me not gonna say what you say, I'm not true, Him could have really do that thing there, or she could have really do that thing there. But, say, me and her good and me and him good, me I tell you the truth, And him never do me nothing, and she never, and me would just make them know. So, me not invalidate what them are saying, But you see, if you are coming at my ears now, come tell me something about somebody who, based on how them deal with me say them good, me I check you. Right? Me not for cuss you or nothing, Me check you and make you know. Say, nah, I charge you that still, Me not gonna invalidate what you are saying, because me don't know probably what you are saying are true or not true. But me just tell you, say, if me and somebody good and you coming at my ears will tell me something, me will check you. To the point where more time me I'll just come out publicly and say, say, I want to come and say so and so. Let me tell you something. Me and so good, and I destroy me. You understand?
Yes.
So, me understand what you say about that so something with them, man. It can be poison us, man, and the people them who steal stuff for true, you have to be careful of them, because them have a thing in their Bible. Them say about the forked, what name? The forked tongue or something like so, or whatever, something like them. You have some people them dangerous with this so something with them, man. I don't know, man.
Real man. And anywhere I just go and bless up yourself.
Man.
May I bless up hot and spicy and mataran.
Yeah.
And
so well on, you think hot and spicy sound like sensible for you?
No, just loud.
Yeah, I like it. Hot and spicy.
Yeah, I like it loud.
Hot and spicy. Defend you one night, something wrong. You defend her. Yeah, real no real, no.
Exactly. No eat.
They no eat.
And me name because me no jacket.
Brap. Mad something, man. All right, big up yourself here. Cool.
Yeah.
Yo, okay. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676. People, say, me when I come a foreign, me see people eat things where, me not eat. Don't go there. I'm not there, right? Anyway. But slowly but surely, me pick up some. I never used to eat broccoli. All right, President. All right, give me a call. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
How are you doing, Mr. Ragashanti?
Some beard and thing, I'm swap up 2 times. Honestly, 2 times. I'm a fresher now and thing and whatever. I'm a put on some Bulgari cologne. I'm have on, antiperspirant and things. So, me no know, my freshness just a bubble up so right here now and thing. Nobody can chat to me.
Well, you're sounding very good, but you lost me with the Bulgari perfume. What is the first
No, cologne, Bulgari. You don't know Bulgari?
No, darling. First I heard that name.
Yeah, man, it's about long time, auntie. But what going on with you?
Well, I'm a very old listener.
Oh, you are?
And a first-time caller.
A very old listener and a first-time caller. Now, this is interesting.
Yes, sir.
Well.
And I'm starting with blessing up Miss Too Cute from Redheads.
Yeah. All right.
Yes, my darling. But you know what? Why I really call? I was here lying listening.
Yeah.
The both of you talking about it is not good, no matter who that person is to you.
Yeah.
When you know certain things is happening in their life, you tell it to them. It's not good.
It's not good for tell them.
No, and the reason why I'm saying this, I have had an experience.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have a friend.
Mm-hmm.
I have a friend,
right.
A very good friend, sir.
Right.
We have been coming from very far.
Right.
But I want to tell you, it hurt me so much to talk about it.
Okay, what happened?
Her husband had an affair with a lady.
Right.
At his workplace.
Right.
And he rent that a room in his home where his wife is. She didn't know about it.
No, well, I'm not hear what you say. Him do what?
Him rent a room.
Yeah.
To his mistress.
Right.
Or his other woman.
Right.
In his home, where his wife is.
In the same place where him wife, in the same house where him live with him wife?
Yes, but the wife never knew.
And well, him rent a room to the bonner woman?
Yes.
That on a rent, him just make she go there go live. She never did a pay on a rent.
Probably she wasn't paying any
rent. Yeah, go and talk, yeah.
Yeah, probably she wasn't paying any rent, but she was living there.
Right.
And I knew that she was living there, but I did not know at the time that they were together.
Right.
It's another friend of mine now.
Yeah.
Saw them one morning.
Yeah.
And she told me that she had been noticing them for a couple of mornings,
Yeah.
And she called me and tell me that, say your friend husband of a woman, but she never knew that the woman was living at the house.
Oh,
but I knew.
Okay.
I knew, my dear. And you see, as she called me and tell me, we was living next door.
Right.
So I waited until her husband and the lady left out the morning, and I go to the gate and I call her.
Right.
And I said to her, as a friend, I'm just telling her something.
Right.
I didn't expect her to do what she did.
So you tell her.
Yes, I called her and I said it to her. But guess what she did? She go back to him.
Right.
Yeah, she go back and she told him about it. And the hurtfulest thing, she called my name to him. And she told him that
she shouldn't do that. She should go call your name. But go on talk.
Yeah, she told him that it was I who told her. And I found out now I go to her home one day, and I was standing at the gate calling her because it's a house that they keep padlock on the gate. You cannot just push and go in.
Right.
And I went to the gate and I was calling her, and instead I saw the husband come out and then tell me some pretty colorful words.
Be a clot to you and things, style you.
I must leave his gate. Because means that this is colorful.
Right.
You know?
Right.
And it hurt me so much. I said, what is this?
So hold on, you and her did talk after that, or she never talked to you after that either?
What I want to tell you, why I really call you. You know that in the leaf, the lady only left the house. She's not living there anymore, but she's out of her mind now.
Oh, this time wife, right?
Yeah, she out her mind now.
When you say out her mind, what you mean?
Living on joke.
Living on what?
Joke.
Living on joke?
Yes, I'm the doctor, the hospital, the mental hospital or something.
Wow.
I need to rest on my mind, you know?
So hold on. Do we take her and whatever, or take her and thing and she get nervous breakdown or something?
Lick her head, have a mental breakdown.
And she's hospitalized right now and dep and drip.
No, she's not hospitalized. She's at home, but every month she has to go and get a joke.
Oh, okay.
Injection.
Right.
Yeah, and she living there, but just like that, you know?
So where she live now?
She still is at the home.
She still at the house with him?
In another part, because her son bought the house, and that's the only reason why she's there.
Oh.
Her son bought the house, so she's there in another room, and he is living his life. But before she really take down so hard, you know, she used to come and talk to me.
Right.
And every minute she talked to me about him. She used to talk to me about him. I said, she sound like her head a go, but we never take it serious. I did not. Yes, sir, I did not take it serious. And my daughter was talking to me this morning, and I said, Mommy, I don't know how you do it, you know, but me not tell no care women know about the person and not telling them. And I say, well, I learned by my mistake. It's not a good thing to do. You might think it is good within yourself, you know, but it's not a good thing.
No, because a lot of people cannot handle it. And then, you know, like when I say, because that is one of the things you have to assess, you know, is like, you know, based on what you know about this, but, you know, would they be able to handle it? Because some people do it, you know, them not tell them, you know, but them would just say like, what you think about that woman that who moving or whatever? You know, them we give them little hints and things. So people have different ways to deal with it and say, you know, as opposed to just go. But some people really cannot handle it.
That's what I realized. Some people head lighter than some.
And you don't want to get so caught up in some form of self-righteousness where you need to like just get this out and make the person know because you think this is because very often that is not, you know, strategically the right thing to do because
yes, I realize that now it's not a good thing to do, my dear, because you know, it could have cost life. I could have got hurt when I went there and calling her.
Exactly.
You know.
But what about the woman who did dead? Who they live there now? What did happen to she?
Leave the house and they are together, but not at the house.
Oh, so she leave the house. The Bonner woman leave the house, but him and the Bonner woman still there.
Can me with my enough self talk. Yeah, and the woman couldn't be there with his son.
Look at that.
She has to leave, yeah, but you know.
Aye.
The wife,
Aye.
in a nothing I know, just gone.
Gone. Mash up. Mash up. Mash up. Mash up.
Gone, mash up. And it sometimes, you know, why, let me think about it, you know?
Yeah.
It just, it not really rests on me, but when I think about it, I don't feel wonderful with myself. Because
Right.
if I had not said anything,
Right.
she could be living happy ever after with her husband, her cheating husband then.
And right, and it a work for her, and she not gonna wear, and she stay
and
right.
she not gonna wear, cause just
Yeah.
even alone she sit down with, she not gonna wear that type of woman there, you know? She don't go anywhere, the only way she go a market, nowhere else. I mean, used to talk to her about it, say, you can't go, come and go, or I'm party, make go. She not going nowhere.
That's right. You have some people, you know, them interpret the Bible certain way, them read certain book, them watch certain movie, and them have this thing about the truth will set you free. And always
All right.
tell the truth. And honesty is the
All
best
right.
policy. Listen to me, the world don't work so. And with all due
All
respect,
right.
you know who understand that, you know who more experienced women, they tend to understand that more than man. All right? You understand what I say?
Yes,
It's not
yes.
every truth must come out of your mouth. So might you leave alone.
You have to just low it, sir. Let it
Exactly.
lie where it is.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, it is grieving, you know?
See it there?
Grieving, honestly.
Yeah.
Honestly. And the way I had gone, not even me, she know good.
You serious?
Lord Jesus.
Whoa, that's a proper mashup, man. She can't, not even you, she know good. She don't even recognize you good, you know.
Past me, and my son and I were going to church, and my son called to her, and I say, I really see that? And he say, yeah. And I say, I call her, I say, what, you know, see me? No, that was why you think I'm girlfriend. And that just made my heart go down, you know?
No, you see what happened, you know, when you have some people, they don't want to face certain things, right? And in not wanting to face certain things, they engage, it's a process of denial. And then, but if you go through it in them face right now, and it causes like a severe trauma upon them, you have some people, it's not common, but with some people, them have it can result in a form of amnesia. But it's really an extension of the denial, you know.
Well, I am
So
wondering if I she did in love. I don't know what, because no matter what, you must love yourself first. You can't just love people, so that's you just leave out yourself. That's anything can happen to you. That's not supposed to happen, sir.
No. That's fine that you say that. The important thing to know is that not everybody think that way and work out them life that way. So just
and I have a son always say that to me, you know, when certain things happen, and I still say to him, Mr. Mommy, everybody's not the same.
Exactly.
Everybody's not the same. You understand?
Exactly.
Because his father was a taxi driver, and I am telling you, his one friend then used to come and tell me where him is and who him gone with. I'm saying, all right, you know, film life, make him live it.
Okay. You know, make
You
it stress you out
understand?
and think you're going to get nervous breakdown and them something.
Because one body we have and a wheel alone live in our body down.
See it there?
So me can't make other people worry me and stress me out. No, me dear.
No, my version of that is me no own nobody and me no own a woman front. You understand? You do it, me not stressing over nothing. And go about me a kill this.
You go with your one. Why me feel worry and sit down and fret over it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
But I wish ladies would think like that, you know, and some of them cause problem and the men them more. I wish them would think more logically like that to know that they don't owe anybody.
Hold on, the only time I'm my front is when me in it. When me not in it, it's not my front anymore.
You don't know where to do.
Yeah, exactly. That, well, and I mix up, me learn that from, you know. Yeah, President, I come with the break. No, I mix up, me learn that from, you know. One man, him call in, and him live a tenement yard, and him and him woman lay down in a them room, and them light lock off, and them window open, and them have a outside bathroom. And one other tenant who live with fear, man, him see she come out of them place, and go in at the outside bathroom. And when him say, him and him woman, I watch everything, you know, and she go in at the outside. When she go in at the outside bathroom, and one man screech up, you know. And them do them thing in her bathroom and thing in her whatever and them done, and she go back in her house. And the man say, him call in, you know, it's a famous call. And him say, Raga, I turn to my woman. And him say to him, woman, you see, when my 2 years them a look on you, you are my woman.
You belong to me.
You say, when me nah see you and whatever, you are not my woman. You understand?
What is that?
Yeah, I mean, I tell you, say that I one of the mix up them out. I live by the ask anytime from if me not talk about that mix up the all the while. I'm going to say, yo, yeah, I there's something there.
Yeah. To be. Cannot even if the ring is on the finger, you don't own anybody.
You don't own nobody. Them boy about them a kill woman and she Jamaican man about them. Give them give them one thing or whatever, but whatever. Dear idiot them. Dear idiot them.
Mr. Raga, well, I'm happy calling you for the first time tonight after I've been listening you for so long.
So long, don't it? Blessings,
yes,
man. Blessings,
sir,
man.
Something would come up again and I will call you back.
All right,
and
blessings
Mr.
here.
Prezi, just bless him up and I hope everything is going on.
Yeah, man, him have him eye patch and
so
thing and whatever.
No.
Him have, no, him not okay, you know, but him turn up for work.
He's coming on.
And
He's coming on. And
patch,
with God's will, you will be stronger each day.
Yeah, man,
so you have a blessed night.
Yes,
now.
man, and thanks for calling here. Blessings.
Keep up your good work, sir.
Yeah, man. All the best to you and your family. Okay, people, we're going to take a little break. We'll be right back.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes, new flow.
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yo, people, all right, President, give me a call. There's a profound lesson that we just get and a reminder, you know. You understand? I'm telling you all the while, you know, I'm going to pay the people in the mind and mix up, me learn the things them from, you know. Eh? Hey, President? What happened? In the U.S. and Canada, 888-54... 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. President, give me that one there. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good night.
Wagwan.
Nothing. I have a question first. No, I have to. I'm going to talk to you. You want me to laugh. Camera, you know.
So when you start laughing.
Let me ask you first before me talk with me. I say, the lady we called a while ago, right?
Yeah.
She has said basically, I want to try to be very sensitive about this.
Yeah. That's serious reasoning,
yeah. So she has said basically, because she talk and tell the woman what happened, so maybe that, you know, do what happened to our friend, and our friend end up with the mental issues, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then she feel bad, you know. But then the last one here, she has say, but then she try to make herself feel bad the moment she say, but then somebody can really love somebody, so, yeah? Then people not can do better.
No. What she was...
Me try understand it.
Right. No. It's a good question.
Mm-hmm.
No, she learn a lesson, you know. But remember, you know, you can learn a lesson about something and you say, I won't do that again. But it doesn't mean that you agree with it, You can't just say, me nah do that again. But even though me nah go tell somebody that if me see something again, at the same time, me nah go love them way they and not take care of myself and make certain things reach me. So that is the distinction she was making. So she basically very clear, And of course, here she was she spoke profusely about that, where she learned her lesson and she regretted and things.
Right.
So she's very clear about that. But at the simultaneously, she's saying, but me not see the sense in a being in love in other way, where if something like that come upon you, it go mad you and whatever. And then now she provided an anecdotal thing to support it for me to know, say, yo, people, she have a man who drive taxi and people come say this and that to her all the while, and she just say, listen, him have a life to live, whatever, which is a version of, me can't control him. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. But me can't control myself. I'm responsible for myself. If you don't make it get to me, when I'm going to do something crazy, I'm going to kill him, I'm going to kill the other woman, I'm going to burn up a car or whatever the case may be, So that's just.
Shame, but not the car, but anyway.
Hypothetically.
Yes.
Yeah, you understand. So, and no.
Up a lookout point in a Stony Hill.
Not Stony Hill, Red Hills.
Over Red Hill, Stony Hill, Lean Hill, Black Hill, Front Hill, whichever hill.
Yeah, what about
you hill?
Yeah,
You jump on bandwagon with hot and spicy and come take on the sister Missy. Because just to hot and spicy done you and say you spread and she a big fish. You know, feel so they can come take on Missy. Back up right now.
Okay.
Back up right now, and we are going to normalize over here to make you understand, say, it's 1, 2 cute around here. We need to start normalizing that. Okay? Because we give you a little run, and you feel like you want to take a mile with it. Okay? you come over here, and you're going to tell Raga, oh, you're afraid of nobody, who want gang up, and then you take on Missy, Missy did it by yourself, and listen to me, too cute.
No, but hold on. Hold on. Is Missy take her on, Let's be clear. I defend you. But don't look like it. She don't even know Missy. And Missy come on and post. Okay, all right. Okay. We just want to be
clear. She borrow the name and she overstay. She overstay her welcome with the name.
What you mean borrow? Is me give her the name? Is me give her the name? She never voluntarily go borrow it.
It's done tonight.
So you basically say she should have rejected it when me give her. When me give her, she should have rejected it, right?
You're going right back to cutie. You're going another business of cute. Boy, lookout point. Lookout point. And then I come about, you're not afraid.
No, she never said she didn't look out. She said if you didn't look out, you can't look down and you can't see her house up that area that she lives. So she never said she up there.
We're not looking down on you. We're not looking down on you. We're not. And you know, afraid and I come call Missy informer.
Yeah.
Then listen with your phone, she said the credit just say, tired of you, then no eat and done.
Then no eat.
You come all the credit for you, the credit was done. The credit said, then no eat. And just done.
Well, you said that the credit said, no. The credit said, then no eat. I'm caught, no. I'm caught. You know she had dead with laugh, right? All right. Here I know.
She dead with laugh.
All right. When she just hold her head and say she not change her name or whatever. But here I know. Here's a proposal. Even though our go on, can you come up with a good name for her? Not a this name. And say, all right, this is a good name.
Cutie. She's going back to Cutie. Going back to Cutie.
Going back to Cutie? Eh?
That's it. Yes. That's going to run right back to cutie.
They say cute, but that is a nice name.
Yes, that's what she came with, and she's going right back to it because nobody needs to.
No, it's me that give her that name. It's me that give her cutie.
But I am telling you, so you need to go back to giving her and make sure stick with cutie.
All right.
Okay, and we don't even know if she's cute, but we are trying to.
Love, my friend.
They don't afraid that nobody knows.
You know, she dead with laugh.
There's something cute. I know she's over there.
Well on. Before you said, well on. Cutie. You make me there call her cutie, now. But, well on, cutie, is a crew, is a long time crew, me never get to tell you. But them name enough attention, enough attention, a long time crew. And then defend them one another, bad people. In a good way, in a fun way, when we say bad. But and them understand joke and all these things or whatever, but it's a crew of them, enough attention and sitting. So if me never tell you, I tell you now. Okay, cool. So it's a cutie with a work.
You want to come walk, Mr. I know. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Why we're not going to argue with you, and Mrs. is not going to argue with you anymore, cutie. We don't have no time for it. You see, arguing with cutie still. It is so disappointing, like an unsalted pretzel. Disappointing.
Oh my God!
Unsalted.
An unsalted pretzel, no.
Yes. Or even think about this. Think about this.
Like what?
Like arguing with a person. Think about it this way, make it even worse. It's like stepping on a leaf in winter time and you don't hear the crunch.
Jeez and peace. Let me get it.
She got cussed me.
No, man, you know she dead with laugh right now. You know she dead with laugh right now.
Yes. It's like stepping on a dry leaf in winter time, but you don't hear the crunch. You don't get the disappointment that you're hoping for.
Jado, would you make me night at night time? Would you give me joy?
You're coming over here with your out of order self. You need to stay with your name, cutie. Stick with that name. And you know what you need? As a matter of fact, somewhere out there, you see, somewhere out there in that lonely forest, there is this whole single tree. And you see the purpose of that tree? It's just to replace the oxygen where you waste. Go and find it and apologize to it now.
Jeez and peace. No, take that too cute. No, take that cutie. Don't take that. Don't take that the next time. You know why you're afraid that. Don't shine a bullbuck and don't pick on Karen in your life here. Don't take it so. Okay. Friday again.
I demand that you go and find that tree and apologize to it right now. And give that tree the oxygen that you're wasting.
Oh, jeez. But before you leave, though, address Prezi and him here, doing so talk to Prezi.
Oh, Prezi, I really, I'm so sorry. Prezi, you know why you never run a joke for your eye, Prezi. You know why you're really blind?
Prezi, listen to them.
You're too cute and spicy. Oh, you see I make too cute and spicy a fight over your Prezi. You know what's blind?
Your Prezi is dying over here.
You run a joke for your eye. Prezi. Because them two pop down people there, you have a war over your Prezi.
Oh, no, she didn't. What you say? I them bring saltless funny man thing I'm making a lose the eye, don't?
Yes. You need to feature good things, man. You need to be progressive. Be progressive.
Prezi a rule.
That's right. And cutie, as of tonight, cutie. You're sticking with cutie. Then I eat.
Then I eat.
That's what I'm going.
Brap. All right, Charge. You know, say a word here.
Yes.
Oh, God. Blessings. Well, people who don't know when they look at juggling, I love how they kind of relax. I like when they relax and not ease them way, I see, man. I like, you know. You don't know it's a Friday, I always bring the energy and thing, but I love the Monday, Wednesday thing where it's just like a mellow vibes and we just have all a look at meds and we run, we look at joke and we talk about with this and some serious thing and whatever and we laugh. You know my motto, laugh, learn, and grow, right? And so we will laugh and we'll learn. So cause look learning going in the 90, you know, man. Nakita, me see you make your post. Me see you make your post and you say, oh, you're not busy with nobody want to say you own your gentleman body. All right. Well, yeah, that Nakita and thing. I mean, then me see somebody post, hey, what's like how you just get it back, don't you? Because for listeners, if you don't know, Nakita just had a child, no? And but seriously, though, people, man, may I tell you, say, you see that something there, like owning somebody, you know, say, it is the root of a lot of bad things were happening in the world. Them have a thing I go on TV now named true crime shows, right? And I mean, you know that I'm an avid viewer of these things and whatever. All one time them I come and watch them over again. Because I love to learn. And basically it's just a whole heap of shows out there where essentially reenact real crimes, you know? And them have all kind of name. You know, I watch one today named Murderer Amongst Friends, something like so. And again, that one is a series, you know, about friend will end up a kill friend, you know? And I wouldn't advise you to watch it too much if you can't manage it, because again, you know, be careful when you consume, because whatever you consume is permanently inside of you and thing, you know? But if you can watch these things and learn from them, but be careful, because again, them can, you know, subliminally work on you, and before you know it, you're using things from those movies, from those shows to you know, to address you know, problems in your life. So you have, you know, I always support people who say, no, I can't watch the news lately now because I hear bad things in the news. I support those people, you know, because them basically, I say, you know, them responsible for them contentment and them peace. And if the news is a source of stress and depression and whatever, then you have to be careful of that. So that being said, though, I learn a lot from watching them, because I have that control. You know, I'm not going to do nothing crazy. And my approach to them is to learn from them so that I don't make those mistakes also. But a lot of those, you know, them just have to do with jealousy. All when the people them not there. All when I just friend. It's just a form of jealousy, and me have a problem with you and how you stay and what you have and what you do and all them something there and whatever. And you know, and the least common denominator in a lot of those things, you know, is a lack of understanding that what goes on over there. So, in other person that who are your man, your woman, your best friend, your mother, your father, your this or that, or ultimately you don't own it. It's not yours, and people free for do what they want to do. If you look on enough of them something about, you know, who cheat and who disrespect who and who whatever and all them something there, whatever, you know, it's a thing about what go on over this and how it impact you over here. So, and people just interpret those things in various ways, and some people just get crazy and kill and stab up people and shoot people and all kind of something and whatever. But if we stay in the realms of things what we know a long time, things like staying in your lane, mind your own business, them something there where we are learn nothing new. Mind your own business. You know them look at something there in a way if we say the person you're ultimately responsible for is yourself. The person who you have full control over is yourself. So ultimately what others do, it not care how close those people are to you. You're a Bob Marley said the only person who can hurt you is somebody who you care about. And it's true. So if you understand that, then you have to go manage the thing, then manage your expectations where you know feel no hurt from what somebody else do. Because you can't control people. So careful in a relationship. Careful what you think you need to go talk about. Careful, you know, from tonight, careful what you think you need to go tell on a friend out of loyalty and all them something there, whatever. Because I know everybody can manage everything. And at the end of the day, you can't control people. Even if you want a particular outcome, there's no guarantee that the outcome what you want and that you're going to get. And everybody not see the world the same way. All right? Friday, people. All right? Big up on yourself Friday. I will juggle again because you know, so we are come with the energy Friday. All right? Blessings and respect. Outer road. So, we had free up tomorrow. Free up tomorrow. 1 o'clock U.S. Eastern Time, 12 o'clock Jamaica time. We're over YouTube. What the channel name? Ragashanti TV. Again, over YouTube. What the channel name? Ragashanti TV. The realest Jamaican talk show. Free up live with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock U.S. Eastern Time, 12 o'clock Jamaica time. Blessings, people. Take care of yourself. If you're not beard yet, go beard before you go on the bed. All right, road.